haircut since 2019, and these days the option of going to supercuts or your other favorite salon hairstylists are not really an option right now, so let's try out the Flowbee. I'm going to do 1 3/4 inch on the top, and I got a 3/4 inch spacer which will trim my sides and back. So I'll get this fired up and show you how it's done. So we're getting there. My hair's super thick, so sometimes the blades get kind of, feels like it's underpowered sometimes. My hair was so long too, you have to ease it in gently. You can't just go straight to the scalp, it kind of gets jammed up, so you have to slowly feed it, cut it from the higher point and then work your way in till the guard finally touches the scalp. We're almost at 1 3/4 inch all around. There's a lot of spots I missed, but I just took a little break and I'm gonna get back to it. Day is 1, so I got the bulk of my hair trimmed down to 1 3/4 inch. Now, take this little spacer and we're gonna finish the job. Tighten up the sides and the back. Now I've just wet my hair, parted it to the side, and with the lowest setting I'm gonna trim from the parted side over and back. Then I'll reverse the process and part on the other left side. And I'm just going to need to trim my neckline, at least a couple inches or so, give it a nice clean look. I'm going to use an attachment here for my razor and hope for the best, try to make it straight. gonna be going into some fancy restaurant anytime soon. This is just to get you by when you're at home, quarantined. Alright, so shampooed the hair and this is the result. Not too bad, it's not great, but it gets me by. I don't have to pay for it. So that's how it looks. Flowbee haircut. 1 3/4 inches on the top and 3/4 of an inch on the sides and the back. Thanks for watching.